Hello everyone, I'm Sally from Bibi LED. Welcome to our aging workshop. Today I will show you one of our best seller, the P3.91 rental type LED screen. It's usually used for stage and events. The panel size is 500 by 500 millimeter, made by die-casting aluminum with super good flatness and high precision. The weight for one panel is only 7.5 kilograms. You can handle it easily with only one hand. Very easy. Now let's take a look at the design of the panel. It's very beautiful and user-friendly. Here we have the corner protection design. It can better protect the bulbs in the four corners. With the fast lock design, it's very easy to install and disassemble. Just take a few seconds. Now let me show you how we do it. with IP65 protection level. You can see we have the waterproof ring on the LED modules inside the panel. Now let's go to the waterproof testing area and show you how we do it. If you want to print your own company logo on the LED screen, no problem, we can do it for you. We can print your company logo here at the back side of the panel, or we can print your company logo here on the flat cases. If you need more details about our rental type LED screen, feel free to contact with us. We are Bibi LED. Thank you. See you next time.